My toaster just sent me a friend request, and honestly, I'm not ready for that level of commitment. I bought a smart fridge thinking it would help me diet, but now every time I open it for a midnight snack, it displays my gym membership expiration date and emails my mom. Yesterday, my smart vacuum got stuck on a single Cheeto and just sat there spinning like it was having an existential crisis. It even beeped at me in a tone that translated to, "Don't touch me, I'm busy." My air fryer has more confidence than I do, and my washing machine is definitely judging my mismatched socks. If your microwave is currently smarter than you are, hit that follow button and let's suffer together.